Well, it's installed. As a one-man show, it's kind of a challenge. The sequence was to put the bottom bolt through it, had the floor jack still under the bike, put the bottom bolt through it and just put a nut on it, don't tighten it, and then play with the height of the body of the Spyder by the floor jack, raising it and lowering it until the top bolt's opening lined up with its mount point. And once that was done, then I reached in with an extension socket and a piece of paper to keep the bolt head in the socket, reached in and pushed it through. Then I lowered the floor jack, which put pressure on both bolts so that I could then run the nut on the top bolt from the right side of the bike. I put the nut in from the left side, or bolt in from the left side, the nut on from the right side. And on the bottom, the bolt went through from the right side, the nut went on the left side. That's how it was installed, so I just maintained that relationship. It's all installed. All I got to do now is put the body panels back on it. Got a rain day here in Central Ohio, so I won't get a chance to experience it for a day or two, but looking forward to it. Quite a project, but done deal.